Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the showing the spinner component whenever the API requests are in the processing state. So right now I'll go to the app.js variable app.js, and here I'm going to have const loading is equal to use selector state.loaders. Let's import this. And now here if loading is true I am going to show a div. So it should have one more child div. Yeah, so the parent div should be class name loader parent, and the child div should be normal loader. Okay, so if you want you can make this as a custom component. So it has only 3 lines, that is the reason I kept it in the app.js only. So this is completely custom classes, so you cannot use our existing classes to get the loader. So now instead of having this loading true, first for the time being I'm going to make the loading false. Once we design the component we are going to remove this not symbol so you can get it dynamically. So first let's go to the output once. So nothing is different here. Go to the custom CSS. Where is it? Style sheets, custom CSS. Okay, format document. So here I will write the comments also. Loader perfect. So first one is loader parent. So loader parent should take the position absolute and it has to be complete width and height. So I am just writing dot loader parent. So first one is position absolute and background color will be black and inset will be 0. Once we use inset 0, it is going to take the complete width and height. Let's see, you can see it took complete width and height. Now I am going to reduce the opacity something like 0.7. so we should able to see some backside content. Yeah, so here you can see this is the backside content. 0.5. let's see how it looks. No, it looks not looking good. 0.8. yeah, this looks better somewhat. Okay, so now you got the 0.8 loader and everything is okay. And position, instead of absolute make it fixed. This should work as the same. Yeah, now you need to have the normal spinner dot actual loader. So it should be and also this loader should be at the center of this loader. So I will use flex is okay, display is equal to flex, align item center, justify content center. Okay, now here I am going to write height is equal to 30px, width is equal to 30px, and border is equal to, I am going to write 3px solid. I will just use okay, for the time being white color. Let's see, you can see it is looking like this. And now I am going to remove border for any one of the side. Border top is equal to border top color, or else border top color is equal to transparent. Okay, border top color transparent, and make this border radius 50%. Fine. Okay, and now you need to apply some animation for this loader. So I'm just writing it here. loader animation, okay. So now you need to write the keyframes. So here I'm just writing animation is equal to, I'm just writing loader anim. So one is linear infinite. So here I'm just writing it here, keyframes loader anim. You can see loader anim. So at 0 degrees it will be 0, at 100 degrees it will be 360. So it will be always rotating. Let's see. You can see we got the loader. Now you can adjust the colors and everything based on your inputs. So I'm going to use some different colors, like first the normal border color should be, I will use var of color primary. Okay, not looking good. Let's use color secondary. Yeah, this looks better. And border top color should be color primary. Yeah, this is much better. You can see we are having a good loader. Now let's make this dynamic, okay. And also let's have border width at least 5 px. 5 is too high, let's make it 4. Yes, perfect. Go to the app.js and remove this not. Now I am not able to see any loader. So let's go and call the show loading and hide loading in the API request. Go to the pages, login. So here we have our try block. So I'm just writing it here. Const dispatch is equal to use dispatch. And here I'm just calling dispatch show loading. After getting the data, dispatch hide loading. Okay. So here also dispatch hide loading if anything goes wrong. Go to the register, do the same thing. Const dispatch is equal to use dispatch. Dispatch is equal to use dispatch, and then dispatch show loading, dispatch hide loading. Even in the catch block, repeat the same, dispatch hide loading, and go to the protected route. Already you have the dispatch show loading, and after getting it, dispatch hide loading. Here also dispatch hide loading. Perfect. So now I'm going to refresh. So I have to get the loader now. You can see I'm able to see the loader. Awesome, right? So let me log out. Even for the login and registration also, the loader will work as it is. I'm just deleting this. In the login, input Arjun123. First I will use the invalid, so you can observe the loader clearly. Perfect. And here you can see in the login page the loader is having some issues with the Z index. So if I put not here, I can able to see the loader clearly. So we can adjust the styling. So these form elements are coming out of this loader. Okay, so to resolve that, I'll go to the custom.css and I'll make this loader parent Z index always higher. Now this is perfect. So go to the app.js again and remove that not symbol and click the login button. Perfect. So let's use the valid 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. login, Arjun and home. So we are done with the state management also. So in the next section we are going to work on the what I can say layout of our application. Thank you.